The price for a high-quality explainer video is between $5,000 to $35,000 per minute. And that number can increase depending on a lot of factors, like the studio and the animation style you choose. What if there was a way you can create your own explainer videos and save money? Yes, it is possible. You can create your own personalized explainer videos relevant to your business. You can get yourself the VideoMaker FX Pro and become a professional explainer video maker. What is VideoMaker FX Pro? Is a software used to create explainer videos that businesses use to quickly introduce themselves, explain what they do, and tell how they can help solve their customers' problems. Explainer videos can be used to explain the details of a new product. Let me show you the demo video of the VideoMaker FX Pro.
Just look at some of the beautiful video scenes that I can add in just seconds. Okay, all I have to do is just go to add slide, and I can add all sorts of scenes into my video just like that. Okay, and these scenes are beautiful, they're well crafted, and honestly, per minute they cost normally thousands of dollars to produce if you would produce them on your own. So let me show you, let me go back to my original slide. Let me just show you how easily you can customize the text, you can customize fonts, you can customize all sorts of things to match up to your branding or to the kind of video that you want to make, and instantly. Okay, and that works for so many, like even call to action arrows. It's all just a mouse click away for you. Okay, there's so much possibility with this that honestly you'll have a different and unique video every time you use this, because you see these scenes here, there's over 240 of them included in the main software, and that's just incredible. There's nothing else out there that offers you that many scenes, that many pre-built, fully customizable scenes in just one software package. Okay,
you can use the VideoMaker FX Pro to create advertising campaigns for your business, or create campaigns for your customers and get paid per explainer video. Explainer videos are so effective because they combine audio and visual stimulus to explain a concept in a simple and understandable way. Get the VideoMaker FX Pro today and start creating professional advertising campaigns. For more information about VideoMaker FX Pro, visit the link provided below in the description of this video. The link will take you to VideoMaker FX Pro website, where you can find more information about the product. If you are interested in buying VideoMaker FX Pro, you find an option to purchase with the website. Subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe to this video, so that I can send you updates whenever I post a new video.